Yo guys, if today be a good day, then definitely it's a payday. I literally just made another 4% on my Goatfunded trader account right now, and I'm going to be placing the withdrawal live with you guys today. Honestly, I'm super grateful to God for this. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Like, gradually everything is like becoming easy a little bit for me, and I'm grateful to God for this opportunity. So I'm going to be making this withdrawal live with you guys. If you are new to this channel, please, you are welcome to the channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, I'm super grateful for your love and support to this channel, honestly. And for my new subscribers, I basically document my journey as a forex trader, my process, my wins, my loss here in this channel. So that is what we do in this channel. So if you are interested in this sort of content, please do it to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. So without further ado, let's proceed to the withdrawal, guys. So here on my GFT account, I've already made the withdrawal. So, but you can see, let me show you guys briefly. Total payouts 164 because of the previous payout I did, and number of accounts, I got 9 accounts. Then account pass is just 2 because these two, I don't get this wrong, this is just the phase 1 and phase 2 of my funded account. So funded accounts 1, which is the one you are seeing here. So I'm going to my withdrawal menu and let me show you guys the withdrawal. Total profit balance is 5,208. Withdrawable profit $208. Split 80%. Request payout, that is where I request my payout. But you can see it now. This is the first one approved, and this one, the status is still pending because I just withdraw it like just now. Understand? So the withdrawal time was 1 p.m. 02 seconds. This is just 1:22. So I've already done the withdrawal. I'm waiting for the pay out right now, so I will update you guys. Yo guys, we finally received our payment from GFT, the withdrawal we made on Tuesday. Okay, now today is Friday, but I got the payment late yesterday evening because I don't know why, but normally it's supposed to be like 2 working days, right? But I thought it was like New York session before they would give me the money, before they approved the payout. But unfortunately it didn't happen that time. It was like New York afternoon session before I got my payout. They approved the payout. That was about 6 p.m. or so. That's when I got the payout from GFT. Then after getting the payout from GFT, Rice was like trying to verify the payout process. So the transaction there was pending, so I couldn't like make a video about the whole stuff that yesterday. So right now we have received the payout, so I'm going to be showing you guys everything now. The amount I've withdrawn from Goatfunded so far for a month now, like 2 weeks payout interval, that bi-weekly kind of stuff. So I'm going to be showing you guys the amount I made in those 2 weeks now. Okay, let me say 1 month now together. So I'm going to be showing you guys that, and I'm going to be walking you guys through my Telegram to show you the trades I took in this my second withdrawal, the whole trades I took in order to make this withdrawal. So let me show you guys quickly. So here is my GFT dashboard. As you can see, like everything is still the same, but the only difference now is the withdrawal, the payout, the total payout. 9 accounts, 1 funded, 2 pass, phase 1 and phase 2. And for the current account I'm trading right now, so this is the total payout. You can see that I've withdrawn the sum of $330 from them so far in a month right now. But it was supposed to be like, let me say $400 or let me say 400 and something dollar, because I usually make 4% of the account. But you know, after they take their 20%, we left with the 80%. So that's why you're seeing this $330 now. So you will see that the withdrawal has been approved. Let's go to the withdrawal option. Now you can see that the withdrawal has been approved. $208. Look at it here. Approved. $208. Rise. 80% split. May 19. Yeah. So I'll be heading to my. Let me head to my certificates. Let me show you the certificate. Okay, no need for that. I'm going to be okay. Let me just show you guys. No need for that. I'm going to be showing you guys from my Telegram channel. Okay. So here is the email from Rice. Hi there. You received a $166.9, which is very, 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 very nice. Which is very, very, very nice. I love this. because I'm not gonna lie, I love this. So let me go to my Telegram channel now, show you guys the trades I took in order to make that 4% withdrawal. So as usual, we are going down to our 10 trade rule. The 10 trade rule is more important than these charts you are seeing there. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. The 10 trade rule is more important than the trade setups you guys are seeing. So, so let me go to my 10 trade rule. May 6th, I think that is when I started this account. Yes, May 6th to 9. So 10 trade rule, May 6th to 9. So now you can see that the first trade I took on that account was loss of 0.9%, 0.9 RR. Then the second trade was like break-even trade, so it was like 0.1 RR. So I came out 0.8% that week, return of investment. Then the second week, 10 trade rule, May 11th to 15th, that is when we passed the account. So XAUSD, we took a 1.1 RR loss, again break-even trade. Then we made about 4.1 RR. My initial aim was like, let me like close the whole trade or the whole account in 2% for the bi-weekly, but I never knew that you have to like have a trading day of minimum trading day of 3, and the minimum trading day, the way I understood it before now, it was like if you trade 3 days, they will count it for you. That was what I thought, but that was not the case after all. So I was using 0.01 lot size in the remaining days, but I never knew that 0.01 lot size did not qualify the trading days. So the minimum trading days of 3 actually means that you must make a profit of like at least 0.5% on your account for 3 different days. Are you seeing it now? You must make a profit. They don't care about the profit, but let the profit be more than 0.5%, or let me say 0.5%, then they will record that day as a trading day. But if you lose the trade, they won't count it. They just want you to make profit at least 0.5 for different days. When you get to 3 days, then they will record it. So when I found out that that was what they need, so I decided to go all in again. So I started taking my 1% risks as usual. BPUSD, I got a 1.3 RR because I trailed my stop loss, because I was just looking for that trading days and not even profit. So that is how I got that one at first. And the second one too, I trailed my stop loss and I got another 0.9 RR, which gave me about 5.5 RR for the 2-week results. 5.5 RR for the 2-week results. So that is pretty much everything. Before I placed my withdrawal, that is the only thing I did. Then I stopped trading for like how many days? For the whole week, for the rest of the week, because I think I passed the account on Tuesday or Wednesday. Then I stayed till on Tuesday the following week before I made my withdrawal. And now this is the progress of my 25k account. I've taken 7 trades so far on this account, 10 trade rule. I just took my last trade, closed my last trade today, May 17th to 22nd. So I'm not trading again this week. So BTC 1% loss, Euro USD 3.9%, RRO. I was up 3% on the account before, like I told you earlier. Then 1 point loss, another 1 point loss again, 0.8 loss again. So I had like 4 losing streaks. So I was back to like 1% down on the account, but it didn't move me because I was just concerned about these 10 trades. Are you seeing it now? So I was not like afraid of anything. I already made 3% before the whole losing streak happened, so I was not worried. So finally we got our last trade on BTC USD, which happens to be 3.2 RR. So we are finally back in profit for about 2 RR on the account. Let me show you guys quickly the trade. Look at the trade here. We close this trade in 3.2 RR. Then let me show you guys the before the trade. Look at it. So that's pretty much everything on the account. Now look at my payout. This is payout certificate, plenty make you. That's my name right there. So that is pretty much everything. This is the profits from that Bitcoin trade. So see you guys in my next video.